tour duration is just right. We overrun a little bit and the tour lasted for 3 hours 20 minutes. The walk is not challenging, some walk uphill but are all within 10 minutes, then there will be a stop for you to rest and take some good pictures, just make sure you wear trainers instead of flip-flops. Our guide Katerina is very friendly and informative, she gave us an amazing guide along the walk. An egg tart, codfish cake and green wine are included in the tour as well. Definitely worth the price. I had a great time with this walking tour. Filipino, our guide, was very nice and so knowledgeable about the history and the cultural background of the city. You get to taste a little bit of everything with this tour. I'm so glad I did it and strongly recommend it to others. Best. We booked a walking tour of Lisbon on Klook and had such an amazing time learning about the city from Leslie. Highly recommend. Do wear comfy shoes because the tour length is about 2 hours and there will be walking up and down stairs and hills. My guide, Martin Quiros from inside Lisbon, is exceptional. The tour was organized, informative, and good-paced, highly recommended. Natalia the tour guide is well versed on what she's doing. She makes the tour so much fun and interesting. Highly recommended. Joanna was great. You couldn't ask for more. She will give you all the local tips so that our stay will be very convenient. She gave the most informative history of Lisbon. I would highly recommend this tour to everyone. Philippe was an amazing tour guide with lots of knowledge and it was so fun too. The food and drinks along the way was a great add-on to the experience. There is a lot of walking to do, going up and down stairs, but to see lots of historic places and the best viewpoints are all worth it. A nice small group of people which was nice and intimate, we made lovely friends along the way. This is the best tour I got in Europe. Our tour guide Joanne was very knowledgeable and helpful. She told very interesting stories and historical background of the city and people. She also answered many questions of ours which help us understand the city more. As a bonus, the map provided by the tour group helped us with sightseeing and restaurant finding in the next few days. Highly recommended. Also, suggest to do this as the first thing for your Lisbon trip. Our tour guide Anna is very good. She is very passionate with her job. I am so glad I joined this tour. Tour is excellent value for money. We explored key areas of Lisbon's historical center with local snacks and drinks included in the price. Our guide, Alexandra, was very knowledgeable and answered all our questions including recommendations of local restaurants and shops. Highly recommend.